If Grammarly is showing a 403 forbidden error, don't worry. This usually means the website is blocking access because of a browser issue, a network setting, or a security layer on your device. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into Grammarly as quickly as possible. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. First, try refreshing the page with a hard reload. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. This forces your browser to reload the page without using the stuck cached version. Sometimes a 403 error is caused by an old page session or a corrupted cache file, and this quick refresh can instantly fix it. If you're on a Mac, you can use the equivalent hard refresh shortcut in your browser. If that doesn't work, the next step is to toggle your VPN. Turn your VPN completely off and then try Grammarly again. If you need to keep using a VPN, switch to a different location because sometimes Grammarly blocks certain IP addresses or regions. A 403 forbidden error can happen when the site thinks your connection looks unusual, so changing or disabling the VPN often solves the problem right away. Next, clear your cookies and cache, but only for Grammarly if possible. Go into your browser settings, open your browsing data or site data settings, and remove the stored cookies and cached files for Grammarly.com. This is important because damaged cookies or outdated site data can keep sending bad permission requests to the server. After clearing them, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Grammarly. If you're still seeing the error, pause any security layers that may be interfering. Temporarily disable your antivirus web protection, proxy configuration, or aggressive firewall settings, then reload Grammarly again. Some security tools can block scripts, cookies, or login requests that Grammarly needs in order to load properly. If the site works after turning one of these off, you found the cause. Just remember to turn your protection back on afterward so your device stays secure. At this point, one of these 4 fixes usually solves the Grammarly 403 forbidden error. Start with the hard refresh, then check your VPN, clear the browser data, and finally review any security software or network restrictions. These steps are simple, safe, and they fix most access issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If you want, I can also make a second video showing extra fixes like changing browsers, resetting DNS, or checking account restrictions. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's stuck on the same error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.